In this video, we'll show you what to do if the display section is not showing up in the NVIDIA Control Panel. So to fix this, first head to the search menu and then type in services. Now select the first result that appears. In the services window, you'll need to scroll down and then locate this NVIDIA display container ls and then locate this NVIDIA local system container. You need to ensure that both these services are running, so you should see the status here. Also, you need to ensure that both these services are set to automatic. If one of these is not set to automatic, simply right click on it and then select properties. Now use this drop down menu to select automatic. Now click start if the service is not already running and then hit apply followed by OK. Repeat this for the second service as well. Once you have done this, simply restart your PC and you should see the display section in the NVIDIA Control Panel. However, if you still experience problems, you need to go to the 3D settings section. Now here click on manage display mode and then select NVIDIA GPU only. Then hit apply and your issue should be resolved. If you are not seeing the manage display mode option at all, or if this doesn't work, your last option is to ensure that the monitor cable is plugged into the back of the GPU and not your motherboard. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.